In this video, we guide you through designing a helmet in Autodesk Fusion 360 with clear, step-by-step audio instructions. You'll learn how to sketch the profile, form the shell, refine curves, and add clean details to complete the model. This short breakdown gives you a solid understanding of the workflow so you can confidently create your own helmet in Fusion 360.
In this video, we begin the step-by-step helmet design process in Autodesk Fusion 360 using form modeling. The workflow starts by creating a form body and selecting a quad ball, as its face distribution provides better control for organic helmet shapes. The size of the quad ball is adjusted to allow smoother surface manipulation during modeling. In quad ball, the face are likely favorable to the helmet design, and you will understand as we move on. This ensures mirrored edits while refining the structure. The bottom faces of the quad ball are removed to establish the open base of the helmet, and the Edit Form tool is used to gradually define the lower slope. Vertices along the bottom edge are adjusted to shape the helmet opening, followed by extending surfaces using the Alt key to generate additional geometry. Adjust accordingly with the help of Edit Form command. Followed by extending surfaces using the Alt key to generate additional geometry. Edge insertion is applied to gain finer surface control, especially for forming the helmet spoiler. Unwanted faces are removed. and the weld command is used to merge vertices correctly, maintaining proper topology. Final refinements are done using edit form for proportion and flow. The design will be continued and detailed further in the next video. Adjust accordingly with the help of edit form command. Adjust accordingly with the help of edit form command.